The act of animal testing is cruel and inhumane. These animals are subjected to spending their lives locked away and put under multiple tests throughout their life. According to an article called Rabbits in Laboratories, written by the foundation PETA, one of these tests include the jury's eye test, in which rabbits are tormented by having cosmetics, dishwashing liquid, and drain cleaner and other substances dripped into these eyes to test their products. During this experiment, rabbits are not only given no pain relief, but are also killed. Another common test is called the lethal dose 50, or LD50, which involves finding a dose of chemical that will kill 50% of the animals tested. In 2016, the U.S. Department of Agriculture reported that over 71,000 animals suffered tremendous pain during these experiments. Each year, more than 100 million animals are killed in these laboratories for biology lessons, medical training, and cosmetic testing. In the U.S., up to 90% of animals are used in laboratories. These animals range from mice, rats, frogs, dogs, cats, rabbits, hamsters, guinea pigs, fish, and also birds. Animal testing today has been proven pointless due to the advanced technology used by medical professionals today. There are multiple alternatives to animal testing rather than these experiments. Given by the article, should animals be used for scientific or commercial testing, one alternative known as microdosing, which involves the administering of small doses too small to cause adverse reactions, can be used in human skin rather than animal skin. According to alternatives to animal testing given by PETA, researchers have also developed a range of computer models that simulate human biology. With these models, researchers are able to accurately predict the effect a drug will have in the human body. And although animals have a similar anatomy to a human, they are never exactly the same. The reaction to a drug in an animal's body is quite different from the reaction of the same drug in a human body, this making animal testing an unreliable source for research. Due to the stress put on the animals in these labs, the animal's body will not react the same as they do in a more natural-free environment. Not only is animal testing useless, it is also very expensive. Meanwhile, most drugs found safe in animals are not safe in humans. These tests are performed over the course of several months, which means there are expenses for care, food, and shelter. These laboratories are government funded, which also means our government is spending billions of dollars without a guarantee of a positive outcome. The estimated amount spent by the NIH every year stands roughly between $12 to $14.5 billion. Although there have been drugs passed by these tests, not all are safe for humans. One very known drug passed in the 1950s was a sleeping pill called thalidomide, which causes severe deformities to thousands of babies being born. When tested on animals, it had no severe side effects. Another drug is also called Vioxx, which is intended to treat arthritis, caused not only heart attacks but also sudden deaths. When the drug was tested, it was found to protect the hearts of mice. In summary, animal testing is not only useless, but it is cruel and inhumane. Animal testing is unreliable and useless because these tests and drugs passed by these laboratories are detrimental to humans. These tests have no way to predict a positive or useful outcome. Several dollars are spent by the government in hopes for a medical breakthrough, although there is no assurance for one. These tests are also cruel and inhumane. Various numbers of animals are subjected to torture and pain throughout these tests and experiments. No animal should be tortured or killed for the sake of something considered useless.